Here's how you can simply save Pinterest pictures over to your phone gallery. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, open up the Pinterest app, or you can simply use the web version, or simply go use Pinterest on your web browser. And I'm using Pinterest on my web browser, which is Chrome, and I want to download this picture right over here. As you can see, if I click on the save button, it doesn't give me the download option. So what you want to do now is that you don't want to click on the save button. What you want to do is that you want to click on these three dots right over here, and then that's going to give you the option to download the image. Now simply click or click rather on the download image option, and that should easily download the image. And if I open it, you can simply see that the image has been downloaded and it has been saved over to my gallery. So that's how you can simply download or save pictures from Pinterest over to your phone gallery. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.